A crackpot idea is a colloquial expression in the English language that is often used to describe a notion or proposal that is perceived as strange, bizarre, impractical, or downright absurd. When someone refers to an idea as a crackpot idea, they are typically expressing skepticism or disbelief in the feasibility or rationality of that idea. The term crackpot itself carries a negative connotation and is often used to label individuals who are seen as eccentric, unconventional, or holding fringe beliefs. Such individuals may advocate for ideas or theories that are widely regarded as unscientific, unfounded, or irrational. As a result, when someone attributes an idea to being a crackpot idea, they are implying that it lacks credibility or sound reasoning. One of the defining characteristics of a crackpot idea is its departure from mainstream or accepted knowledge. These ideas often challenge established norms, scientific consensus, or commonly held beliefs. For instance, theories about alien abductions, conspiracy theories, or perpetual motion machines are frequently labeled as crackpot ideas because they deviate from the well-established principles of science, reason, and evidence. It's important to note that the term crackpot is subjective and can be used pejoratively to dismiss unconventional ideas without a fair evaluation of their merit. While many crackpot ideas are indeed implausible or unsupported by evidence, some innovative breakthroughs throughout history were initially considered crackpot by conventional standards. For example, the idea of human flight was once ridiculed as a crackpot notion before the invention of airplanes. In everyday conversation, a crackpot idea can be used humorously or ironically to describe any proposal or suggestion that seems far-fetched or unusual. For instance, if a colleague suggests replacing all office chairs with pogo sticks to increase productivity, you might playfully respond with, "That's a crackpot idea," to acknowledge the impracticality of the suggestion. Despite its negative connotations, some individuals take pride in being associated with crackpot ideas. They see themselves as outside-the-box thinkers who challenge the status quo and seek unconventional solutions to complex problems. While not all crackpot ideas lead to breakthroughs or innovations, they can sometimes spark creative thinking and inspire new avenues of exploration. In conclusion, a crackpot idea is a term used to describe a notion or proposal that is perceived as eccentric, irrational, or impractical. It often challenges established norms and is associated with unconventional or fringe beliefs. While the term can be used pejoratively, it's important to approach unconventional ideas with an open mind, as history has shown that some of the most groundbreaking innovations were initially dismissed as crackpot notions.